So this is lifted door. So Adam rides have lift and have ride. So basically if we put that mechanism that way and the door is locked that way, that's fine. But if the door lock in the left side, so it will be problem. How the easy way to change it is super easy. Take a screwdriver. We have a screw and Adam rides mechanism. You can see the screw over here. So we screw that part all the way. After taking that screw out, we can pull that part out and we can switch it. That way we put the screw back to the same easy hole. Easy.